Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte graphic card driver. So first you have to come this site www.gigabyte.com, this official website. After that, this is search icon in the right hand side, and then click on it and then enter the model number of motherboard. GeForce RTX 4070 Super AERO OC 12G and then hit enter, and then click on the product and then click on name of the title. Then click on support. After that, select on operating system Windows 10 11. So both operating system installations process same. So this is your driver and this is version. You can see this is size also and release date also, and this is download icon. When you click to download, after that start downloading in the download box like this, and it will depend about your internet. If your internet good internet, it will download the 5 to 10 minutes. After it is completed download, and then click on three dot and click on download. Now you can see it is completed. So this is completed, then open this file, show in file folder. So where it is downloading, it will open it. You can see this is your driver. Just right click and run as administrator. And if you are using Windows 10, so like this, run as administrator. You can see NVIDIA package launcher and click to yes. Then click on OK. After that, you can see this is extract drivers to your system for the installation. Please wait the file save to your computer, and when complete, driver installations will start. After that, you can see, okay, now you're checking the connectivity, and then next to install, next, and then restart your system. You can see this is icon, next, license options, and here to step finished. And after that also completed driver, then restart your system.